With up to 90% of our time spent indoors, clean air is more important than ever. But without proper maintenance, your air ducts can become filled with allergens, dirt, and debris, polluting the air in your home. Take control of the air you breathe with an air duct cleaning service from Filterbuy Local. With just a call or click, our expert technicians will come to you with purpose-built tools to professionally and efficiently clean your air ducts. We start with a thorough vacuuming and brushing of each air duct using a unique duct cleaning machine equipped with dual HEPA filters to give you the most efficient clean available. For an additional layer of cleaning, we offer a full sanitizing and disinfectant bath for your vent covers. And for the deepest clean, complete your service with an air duct fogging. We use only non-toxic EPA-certified disinfectants to keep you and your family safe and healthy while targeting any bacteria that may be left in your ducts. Call or go online today to explore all of our in-home air quality services and breathe freely with Filterbuy Local.